What's up, guys? Happy Halloween! Are you ready for the trick-or-treat and the Halloween party? Most important, have you got your nails done yet? So the other day I saw this design on Instagram and I was like, I'm gonna do it. So this is my work. I'm gonna show you how I make it step by step. Today I'm gonna use our gel nail tips kit. Let's see what are inside of it. So the kit comes with the coffin-shaped nail tips, the apricot color extender gel, and the clear extender gel. Also our mini lamp. For this lamp, what I really like is I can put it vertically like this. So when I cure my tips, it will give me enough room to work with it. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and find the right size for my nails. Basically, I've already know my size. I normally use size 1 on my thumb, and size 4 or 5 on my middle 3 fingers, and size 8 on my pinky. I think most of the girls use size 4 and 5 the most, so basically in our kit, we give extra bag of size 4 and 5. Okay, here are all the tips that I'm gonna need. And now I'm gonna go ahead, push back my cuticles. I'm gonna take my nails down later, so I'm not gonna do the whole nail preparation. But if you want to make sure that your nails last longer, definitely do it, okay? I already applied the peelable base coat and let it dry, so later on when you see I easily pop off my ring fingernail nail tips, don't get surprised, okay? Now I'm applying the clear extend gel on my nail bed. A thin layer to cover the whole nail bed will be enough. And cure it for 1 minute. Now let's apply the apricot color on the nail tip. I'm gonna start with my pinky. Apply enough amount towards the cuticle area. You may need to try a couple times to find the right amount, because if you put too less, there might be bubbles around the cuticle area and your nail will not be strong enough. But if you put too much, it will flood to your skin. That's gonna be a mess. So you want to avoid both. So just like that, gently place it on the nail bed and press down. See, this is what I'm talking about. With the lamp like this, you have enough room to work with it, and you can adjust the angle for the lamp to cure your nails better. Okay, now follow the same step and do all of the rest of the nails. Alrighty, all of the nails are done. Just use the nail file to file off any bumpy from the very tip of your nail tips and just perfect the shape a little bit. And then use the nail buffer to smooth off all of the edge of my nails so I will not hurt my babies or myself. Now let's make the blood. So I'm just gonna apply some fresh red color on a paper plate and use my medium length nail liner to create a French tip line. However, while I'm applying it on my nail, it seems like the red color is not red enough. It looks a little bit orangish. As you can see, I'm not really good at drawing the lines on my nail. But well, I'm practicing. So I decided to make the red color darker. Here I'm gonna add a little bit black color and mix it with the red color. Let's see. I think it looks much better. It's more like real blood. Now I'm gonna go ahead and create the same line on all of my fingers. This took me like forever, but that was me. If you guys know that I'm a kind of clumsy, well, I'm doing the nail drawing. That's why I don't do a lot of drawing nail art. Okay, here is it. I finished my hard work. I know it's not perfect, but I'm okay with it. Okay, compared to the original design, I want to add something extra. I always want to add something extra when I create my nails, but you know, sometimes it turned out not as good as I thought. But that's me. So here I apply some base coat, gel base coat on the nail tip area. You can use regular gel base coat, or you can use the one come with the kit. It's the extend gel. It can be used as a base coat too. Now cure it for 1 minute. Now apply the hollow effect powder. Dab the powders on the nail tip where you apply the base coat and rub in with the sponge. And I'm gonna repeat the step on my middle finger and the ring finger. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and draw the same right line again to make it darker. Okay, looks good. Now let's start creating the blood drops. I'm using my liner to creating 4 dots on the nail tip. I tried to use the dotting tool at first, but I just figured it's better to use the liner to do it. Now draw straight lines to connect the dot with the front tip line. It's not very straight, but well, it's okay, I guess. Do it layer over layer. Do not just apply a very thick line and then go ahead and cure it. The result is not as good as if you're doing it like a thin layer at one time. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and connect the different lines together to create this dripping feel. Here is the outcome for the thumb. I think it looks pretty cool. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish other nails. And yes, the tip on my ring finger is missing. I don't know. I just took it off. I don't know what happened, but at that time, I just feel like I didn't like the design. So I just pop it off and redo it easily. See, that's the downside of using a peelable base coat. Because I'm a person that change my mind really fast. The moment I pop it off, I feel regret. Yeah, with the peelable base coat, I can easily pop it off, but I cannot put it back on. So anyways, I'm gonna redo it later. Here I'm using the back end of my liner as a dotting tool to create the drop, the exact drop of the blood. And yes, because I created my own problem, I'm gonna redo it. This time I'm just gonna use the clear extend gel because I want to create the fully hollow effect nail. Okay, the whole set is almost done. I'm just gonna apply the gloss top coat to seal all of the designs and make it shinier. Give it a fully cure for 1 minute. Okay, remember I said I always like a little bit extra? The set actually is done, but I just want to make the blood drip a little bit pop out. So I use a liner to create apply another layer of top coat on the blood drips only to create a little bit 3D feeling. Here is the outcome, and I like the result. I think it looks good for a Halloween party. What do you feel? The design is pretty easy and I had a lot of fun while creating it. And with our nail tips kit, you can create it fairly quickly. And of course, if you like, you can create other designs too. I hope my video would inspire you a little bit. If you like it, please hit the like button below and remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.